Brizy comes with a very nice link feature that is called block link, or often referred to as anchor link. So I'll use them interchangeably, block or anchor link. We go back to the builder and let's bring in a button over here. I'll go to the plus and then say button, click, hold and drag, and I drop it. The purpose of this button is that I want people to go all the way down to the bottom here and maybe fill in a form that I will post there. So when people click on this button, and we call this button contact us, then the page will scroll down to the bottom. So select the button, go to link, and then select block. And now you will observe that what happens in this little pop-up screen is that Brizy generates thumbnails of all the blocks on this page. And all you need to do is simply click on the block you want to go to, like this one, and note that there is a blue, light blue frame around it, which shows you that it is selected at this moment. Click outside, click save, and go preview it on the front end. Scroll to where the button is and select it, and you see it scrolls down all the way to that block. And that's how the block/anchor link works in Brizy.